this video, we will learn daily English sentences at home. Morning sentences. I just woke up. Please wake up. It's time to get up. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Take a shower. Get ready quickly. I am getting late. Where is my towel? Make the bed. Kitchen sentences. I am hungry. What's for breakfast? Please make some tea. The food is ready. Set the table. Bring me a glass of water. The food is delicious. Add some salt. Turn off the stove. Wash the dishes. Living room sentences. Switch on the TV. Change the channel. Lower the volume. Clean the room. Open the window. Close the door. Turn on the fan. Turn off the lights. Sit properly. Don't make noise. Daily routine sentences. Iron the clothes. Fold the laundry. Where are my shoes? I can't find my keys. Hurry up. Wait for me. I am busy right now. Help me, please. Give me a minute. I will do it later. Night sentences. Dinner is ready. Let's have dinner. Clear the table. Lock the door. It's time to sleep. Turn off the lights. Good night. See you tomorrow. Sweet dreams. Sleep well. Thanks for watching this video from Ash English Lab.